Understanding the freight market is vital to the success of the owner-operator. In this video, we'll help you gain visibility into the current conditions regarding demand, rates, and where we are in the market cycle. First, the cash shipment index is a good indicator of freight demand, measuring the number of shipments across North America within CAS's vast network. The cash shipment index dropped 5.3% month over month to 0.95 in January, and is down year over year for the 22nd consecutive month. The most important takeaway, according to CAS, is that while volumes remain soft, capacity has adjusted enough to result in modestly higher rates. Next, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, for general freight long-distance truckload primary services, measures the average change in rates for both contract and spot, and reflects the general direction that freight rates are headed. The index increased 0.3% in January after rising 3.2% in December. The PPI is 6.4% higher year over year, marking 2 straight months of increases, a positive sign for the freight market. Finally, data available through Truckstop and FTR identifies where we are in the market cycle by measuring the spread between total spot rate and the 3-year moving average. We call it the Total Spot Market Indicator, or TSMCI. Whenever the TSMCI begins to move sharply toward zero, the market shifts accordingly. The TSMCI improved 4 cents per mile in January to negative 22 cents, which is positive news. The TSMCI is 14 cents higher year over year and has increased in each of the past 7 months. While new orders increased according to ISM's manufacturing PMI, uncertainty regarding tariffs and the Fed's monetary policy threatened to curtail or even derail trucking's recovery. Overall, however, January saw an increase in both demand and rates for all 3 trailer types, which is positive news. To find more info about the freight market, please visit us at www.ooida.com/foundation. You can find the most recent report at the link in the notes below.